Welcome back. The High Court has directed Crime Branch to submit status report about the investigation in illegal allotment of lands of Cerula Comunidad. Goa government has informed the court that many files have been seized and bank accounts of some key persons have been frozen. A petition has been filed before the High Court challenging recent election of Comunidad of Cerula and allotment of land in previous regime.
The High Court has directed SP of Crime Branch to submit status report about the investigations done so far in the case of illegal allotments of lands of Cerula Comunidad. The court has also directed to submit its report in sealed envelope by 28 July. Petitioner Deshwar Shirodkar has challenged recent election of Cerula Comunidad and allotments of land in previous regime. During the hearing, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that earlier this investigation was with Porvorim police, but to make investigation more precise, it was handed over to the crime branch. So far, about 52 related files have been seized and suspected bank accounts have been frozen. There is allegation that land of Cerula Comunidad have been illegally allotted. Illegality came to light when the High Court held regularization of a land allotted to Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa witnessed huge tourist inflow up to January 2014. Almost 1,128 charter flights flew to Goa with 2,61,400 passengers. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar said government has plans to team up with IT department to collect data of overall tourist inflow in the state. Government will also make it mandatory for hotels to submit their data on tourist visits.
Chartered system म्हणजे डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट दुसऱ्या कंट्रींतल्यान टुरिजम हाडप ही फक्त सादारणपणे गोंयान चलता आनी आमी जर तेजो एक डेटा जर पळयत जाल्यार 2009-10 एक 626 चार्टर्ड फ्लायट आयिल्ली तातूंतल्यान 1,37,790 आमचे पॅसेंजर आयिल्ले त्या नंतर 2010-11 900 फ्लायट चार्टर्ड आयिल्ली 11-12 910 चार्टर्ड आयिल्ली 12-13 जो म्हाजो टॅनिवर त्या वेळार 996 चार्टर्ड फ्लायट ही गोंयान आयली आनी ह्या वर्सा सगळे रिकॉर्ड तोडीत 2013-14 अप टू 11/5/2014 पर्यंत 1,128 चार्टर्ड फ्लायट भायल्या देशांतल्यान म्हणजे ती मागीर रशिया आसूं युक्रेन आसूं UK आसूं जर्मनी आसूं ह्या डिफरंट कंट्रींतल्यान आमची चार्टर्ड फ्लायट 1,128 आयली तातूंतल्यान 2,61,452 2,61,452 हे आमचे टुरिस्ट डायरेक्ट गोंयांत येयले जेचो आमचे कडेन रिकॉर्ड आसा.
Government will make it compulsory for all the hotels to submit data of tourists visiting Goa.
सगळी हॉटेल्स आसात ह्या हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री कंपल्सरी करूंक सोदता जेणे करून तेंचो डिटेल टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाकूय मेळटलो आनी पुलिसेकूय मेळटलो. केन्ना केन्ना लोक येता रावता आनी वयता आनी तेजो डिटेल आमच्या सरकारा कडेन आसता त्या खातीर ही एक कंपल्सरी सिस्टम करची अशी आमी सुरवात केल्ली आसा.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Argentina and Belgium needed extra time to win their respective matches and seal the quarter-final face-off in FIFA World Cup. Argentina got the better of Switzerland by a solitary goal. Belgium beat USA 2-1 after being goalless in the regulation time. The quarter-finals will be played on Friday and Saturday. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.